YouTube, I need your help, please. Leave your comments. My controller doesn't want to turn on. My USB cable doesn't want to, like, charge it. And it doesn't blink red either. And the system works perfectly. And I just need answers on how to fix it. Everything's okay with my controller except the fact that I can't turn it on. So I need help, and even with it in, I still can't turn it on. With the reset button, it still doesn't work, and it won't, like, restart it, and it still doesn't work. I don't know if I need anything new or anything, but just leave your comments, please.